Did you know that in 1946, scientists created something so deadly they called it the Demon Core? It was just a sphere of plutonium, but it had already killed one researcher. Physicist Louis Slotin was showing it to his colleagues. He used a screwdriver to keep two plutonium pieces apart. Then his hand slipped. The pieces snapped together. A blue flash filled the room. Deadly radiation poured out. Slotin didn't hesitate. He grabbed the burning hot metal with his bare hands and pulled it apart. He saved everyone in that room, but he had just killed himself. Within seconds, he had absorbed enough radiation to cook him from the inside. First came the nausea, then the vomiting. His hands swelled up like balloons. For 9 days, his body slowly broke down. His skin peeled off. His organs failed one by one. He died in agony, literally being cooked alive by the radiation in his cells. The Demon Core claimed 2 brilliant scientists before it was finally used in bomb tests. Some discoveries are too dangerous to touch.